Sprout me. Step 1. Choose the right location. Corn loves full sun, so pick a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Step 2. Prepare the soil. Corn needs rich, well-draining soil. Mix in compost or aged manure a few weeks before planting. Make sure the soil is loose and not too wet. Step 3. Plant the seeds. Sow seeds 1 to 1.5 inches deep, spacing them 4 to 6 inches apart in rows. Keep rows about 30 to 36 inches apart so the plants have room to grow. Plant in blocks of rows, not one long row, to help with pollination. Step 4. Water and care. Water thoroughly after planting. Keep the soil consistently moist. Corn is thirsty. As the plants grow, fill up soil around their base to support the stalks. Step 5. When the corn is about 6 inches tall, feed it with a nitrogen-rich fertilizer. Repeat every few weeks as it grows. Step 6. Pollination. Corn is wind-pollinated. Gently shake the stalks when the tassels appear to help spread the pollen to the silks. Step 7. Your corn is ready when the silks turn brown and the kernels are plump and milky. Peel back part of the husk and press a kernel. If it squirts milky juice, it's time. Now you're ready to grow sweet, delicious corn right in your backyard. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to Sprout Me for more gardening tips. Let's grow together.